Do you sometimes lose the overview in the countless IT security topics? Active Security Service is the solution for your IT security. 3 services can be implemented independently, and you can choose the solution that suits you best. We support you proactively with our intelligent security solutions. Active Security Service Informed. You get all the needed information about important innovations around the Microsoft security environment. Active Security Service Prevent. We support you with the housekeeping and vulnerability scan and carry out compliance checks. Active Security Service Detect and Respond. Detect and fend external and internal threats, such as cyber attacks around the clock. Which is the best solution for your company? For more details, visit www.basevision.ch. Proactive, intelligent, secure.